My microphone does not do this justice, but this keyboard has a really nice, creamy sound, and that's right out of the box. It's loaded with features most full-size boards don't have. The keycap legends are printed on the side and not on top. It looks clean, minimal, and you get used to it really fast. Inside, you got a gasket mount with sound dampening foam. That's where the thocky feel and sound comes from. Switches are pre-lubed and hot-swappable. No soldering required. Connectivity covers everything from Bluetooth 5.0 across 3 devices, 2.4 gigahertz wireless, and USB-C wired. Not sure if you guys can see that. Let's try to focus on there. There you go. Also, the battery lasts 2 to 3 weeks with RGB off. One thing to know, the customization software is Windows only. Mac users can still use it, just no advanced programming. It's a 75% layout, tri-mode wireless gasket mount, hot swappable switches. If you want a compact mechanical keyboard that actually delivers, this is it.